Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here planning for the week of February 28th through March 6th in my Recollections planner. So for this week, with this being kind of that weird transition time where I really want to use spring kits, but it's definitely still winter, I want to kind of use these anytime kits. So I have this super cute kit from B&R Paper Crafts called Cozy Home. This is the full boxes, the bottom washi, and some date covers, boxes, functionals, full box checklists, more full boxes, and some other functional things, glitter headers, little things, other bits of functionals, and then this is washi strips, headers, little bits of boxes. So my plan is to use this kit. I'm trying to use just this kit as much as possible. So I actually didn't pull anything else out to use with it for my pre-planning. We'll see if I have to pull something in as I go during the week, but that's my plan to use this. I'm going to focus predominantly on the more wintry boxes since it is definitely still winter. So ones like this one are not going to be used, or this one, for example, but like these two, very much the winter vibes. So that's going to be my plan, is to kind of use those most wintry ones now. So yeah. I'm going to get started. I feel like I'm not very articulate today, so I'm sorry about that. But I'm going to put down the bottom washi. I'm going to put down the date dots. I am going to put down full box checklists. Oh, this is the date dots. That other thing is the date covers. You guys know what I'm talking about, even if I don't know what I'm talking about. And then I'm going to stick down the headers. I'm going to do it as to do today little things like I usually do. So that's my plan. I'm going to do all of these boring bits. And then I have my Beauty 360 tweezers from CVS. So I'm going to do all of that stuff and then come back so that we can do all the interesting bits. All right, here's where we are so far. These checklists overlap the bottom washi a little bit, but it doesn't really bother me. I think it's going to be fine. So I'm just going to leave it as is. But we've got a good start going. So now if I pull out the full boxes, I know for sure I'm not using these two, but then I need two more that I'm also not using. I feel like this one basically matches the bottom washi, so I think I'm going to skip that one. And then what do I want to skip as the fourth one? I skip. Maybe I'll skip this one as well. I feel like that's very like bright and white. So I think that'll be the fourth one that I skip. So that leaves the remainder to be what I pick from. I want something for here that kind of is like angled the right way. So I think I'm going to pick this one with the hammock because I want it angled into the page since it's so far on the outside. There we go. So I feel like these two kind of go together, even though it doesn't seem like they should. And then I feel like these two and these two go together, which then leaves these two as the last ones. Wait a second. So if I skip these four, oh, I have to skip a fifth one. All right, I think I'm gonna use this one as my other center box, and I'm going to skip this one. So this one is going to go on Thursday. There we go. I feel like I want to split up the beds. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this one right here. Is that even straight? I don't think so. There we go. And then I'm going to put this one on the other side. Why is it easier to line up the bottom first? I don't understand. Okay, that's not perfect, but it's close enough. And then I'm going to put these two, I think. Maybe I'll do this one over here. I feel like it gives off like some cozy weekend vibes. This one for Tuesday. There we go. Another that's not perfectly straight, but close enough. And then these are the last two. I think I'm going to stick this one here because it's like the other lightest colored one, and I think that I need to split up where the darker colors show up to kind of like evenly balance. All right, there we go. That's what we've got so far. I think it's looking super cute. So going into this sidebar, I am going to pull, if I can find it, I have too many pieces of paper. This guy that says this week seems like a logical way to start. So I'm going to stick this one down, matches the date covers. And then I want a habit tracker. I can use either of these. I think I'm going to use the darker one because I'm just feeling it. So I'm going to stick that one down like so. And then I have the headers. I'm going to use the one that says dinners. There we go. And then I'm going to use this weekly box. Like so. I don't think I actually have space for the other full box checklist. I like just have space, but not enough to like put a header. How much off am I gonna be? All right, I'm gonna put a header anyway. Actually, I don't think I need any of them because the one I would put would be this week, which we already know because that's what it says up here. So I'm just gonna leave this little gap, and now I have a to-do list. So that's ready to go. As Caitlin would say, thank you for your service. That page is done. For the days, I'm actually gonna mark the takeout garbage on Monday because honestly, I'm just feeling it this time. Nope, it's not coming up. Guess I'm not feeling it this time. All right, well, we will just not do that then. I definitely was going to. So I'm going to pull some of these boxes that I have, and my plan is to use, I think, these that are this shape. I don't know how else to call them. I'm going to use these for work. So I usually use the kind of like flags that we have for my work, but it only comes with 4 flags, and usually that's not an issue because I am like I'll use, for whatever reason, I tend to use these kits during weeks that I have work lunches, but that's not the case this time. So I'm going to need a different plan. So I'm going to use those guys for work, and then I'm going to use this guy that says plan with me Monday to mark the fact that my plan with me is going up because, you know, it's Monday. Funny how that works. Okay, so that's done. That's all I have that day. Tuesday is Mardi Gras. I don't think I'm going to mark it, but I guess if the day turns out really boring, I will add it at a later time. But we do have curling. I think what I'm going to do is I want to mark curling with some sort of flag. So I think I'm going to use, maybe we'll use this flag. Sure. I cannot remember if that's an early game or a late game, but we're playing on Tuesday. Wednesday, I have no idea what's going on, but it's going to be fine. For Thursday and Friday, I'm going to fill in a couple more of these boxes. I think I'm going to use this, a second dark one as my last one, because with this still being basically winter, I kind of want to embrace the darker color as much as possible. Thursday is also curling again. So I'm going to mark that with a flag in the same way. And Friday, I'm going to have a video going up. Unsure what exactly is going up. I think it's going to be my March kits preview. It's going to be my plan. I feel like I want to use some sort of box. I think I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to mark it with this. I don't have like an icon or anything. I'm just going to mark it and call it good. I think that's going to be fine. So yeah, that's all going down. And then over the weekend, again, no idea what's going on, but I have a lot of stuff to still use that will fill in the rest of this. So this is where we're at right now with the pre-planning. I think it's looking pretty good. Definitely a lot of unknowns still, but we're going to sort that out as we go. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. I love how it turned out. It looks super cute. Sorry if you can hear my cat in the background playing. As expected, I have a lot of leftovers from this B&R Paper Crafts. It's an ultimate kit. So still have tons of things left, which I will use in another spread at some point in the future. Not exactly sure when. But for now, sticking that in my leftovers. I actually only used things from the kit, so I don't have anything else to share or any other shops that I pull things from, but I think it turned out super cute. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know if you've tried any of these ultimate kits and do you get 2 weeks out of them when you do. And then also follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.